Welcome back everyone. It's been about 3 weeks since my last video. I apologize for the delay, but I've drawn up a schedule of about 3 months worth of videos, so hopefully there won't be any breaks for at least those 3 months, and then as we go along I can add more videos to the schedule and hopefully we can have a lot of videos consistently. Anyway, we're going to be taking a look at the Bacros Windows virus. Operates on Windows NT based systems, so we're running this on Windows 2000 this time, simply because I never use Windows 2000 enough. So we'll go ahead and run the executable. Before that, we'll take a look at our sacrificial files. We have one GIF image file. I'm using image useful for forums or 4chan or whatever, whenever you don't want to read a post featuring Jamie Heineman from Mythbusters. So that is that, and we have a test document, basic test document. Alright, so we'll go ahead and run the virus. So it opens a notepad called readmy.txt and Bacros repeated over and over again. Now this is just the file name that the executable arrived in repeated, so we could change this to asshat.exe and run it. And now we have a notepad file full of asshat. So anyway, it drops a few files to the Windows system directory and will automatically execute on boot. So we'll take a look at the first of its payload on the first of every month upon booting up. Go ahead and restart here, boot up into the operating system and take a look at what it does. Alright, just about to load up into Windows here. So here is a fake error message that Bacros puts up whenever you boot. MS-DOS drive IO error 103 means nothing at all, just fake. And its first payload is every first of the month. It replaces all GIF images on the machine with cool Jehovah. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it is Finnish for kill Jehovah. So interesting. Might lose a lot of images if you have a lot of animated images on your machine. And its second payload activates on the 2nd, and we will once again have to restart. So we'll let it do that, and we will see what it does in just a moment. Alright, almost loaded a second time here. Got the input-output error, and as you can see, it has hidden our original test document. And it makes a copy of all text files on the machine with their original file name and then an exe extension. And it opens the original text document, however it is another copy of Bacros. So we should be able to see if we can find some more text files. As you can see, the GIF image has been replaced in the Windows folder. Okay, these are log files, those aren't text files. Let's see. Here we go, modem detection, I'm assuming, .text, and we have an .exe extension this time. MS-DOS drive.exe, this is the worm's dropped file. Here we have OEWA blog.txt and an exe pairing. So quite malicious. It might trick you if you have the default settings, which is hidden files not present and file extensions hidden. So if we take a look at what that looks like, do not show hidden files and folders, don't hide file extensions. As you can see, it looks like your regular text document, but you're running the worm every time you run that. So we'll put it back the way it was. And look at its third payload of its 4 payloads. There are quite a few, saving the best for last. Activates on December 6th. We'll go ahead and restart one more time and see you in just a bit, see what it did. Alright, just about to load up here for the 3rd time. Bacros is quite complex, that's why I like it a lot. Very neat virus. Input-output error 103 once again. And as you can see behind the error message, it has replaced our desktop background with a small picture of the Finnish flag. So all these things referencing Finland, you gotta believe that the author was Finnish or hated the Finnish. Anyway, its most devastating payload and most evil activates on Christmas Day every year. Go ahead and restart for the 4th time, This should be the last time. Might have to restart one more time, but we're getting there. We've almost covered everything the worm does, or the virus does. Okay, take a good look. This is the last time you're going to see Windows loading in this video. As on Christmas Day, the virus once again activates, has another payload where it deletes all files and folders that it can. As you can see, Windows files have been deleted. Insert your now. So something's obviously going horribly wrong. If we take a look, our operating system files are gone. We have a severe shortage of files in the Windows directory. We are certainly missing some stuff here. We try to run regedit. It's gone. So if we restart one more time, last time I promise, this will be the last time, as Windows can no longer boot, and you will have to restore your data from backups and reinstall Windows. We'll see that. I don't know why it's saving your settings. The computer's toast. Okay, we'll hard reset it here. So as you can see, the machine can no longer boot. Could not start because NTOS kernel.exe is missing or corrupt. So that is about it for the Bacros Windows virus.